I'm meteorologist Nicole Masensic. Take a look. We have a wind advisory in effect for central Indiana. 8 o'clock this morning until 8 o'clock this evening. Reason for that, gusts up to about 50 miles per hour possible. Even though we had those showers and storms during the overnight hours, we haven't had any really big reports of severe weather, just a couple of hail reports and gusty winds. Want to get you updated on that pollen index. It'll continue to climb today through tomorrow and into Friday. It starts to go down as we head into the weekend, and temperatures will be going down as well. This afternoon, temperatures make it up to a high of 62 degrees, sustained winds around 30 miles per hour, but we'll see those gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Comfortable this evening as the winds die down. And then eventually tonight we fall to 42 degrees. For your Thursday planner, breezy, but gusts only up to about 30 miles per hour with a high of 58 degrees. And then as we go into the 7-day forecast, chance for a few sprinkles on Friday, 48. Saturday and Sunday, chance for a little bit of rain with temperatures near the freezing mark. Could see a few snowflakes mix in.